Hello friend, this is from Karvil Machinery technology company in China. Here it is a new finished 800 liters model horizontal beam mixer for Canada Queen's University client. For this mixer, the whole body we make it stainless steel, including the left side cabinet and the whole body, even including the base. We make the mixing system a whole part. For the motors part, we use the Siemens brand motor and hot-tooth phase reducer connected directly to support the strong power. For the material discharging part, we equipped a manual valve, also stainless steel, and as well as the top lid whole part, we make it a hydraulic opening type, driven by the hydraulic system. This is the hydraulic station. For the motors part, also we use the Siemens brand. This is the top lid part. We equipped two windows, one with light and another for check, and material feeding manhole. Also the vacuum meter pipes. This is a vacuum system. Buffer tank, a part of vacuum system. Chinese good quality vacuum pump system. Okay, now the mixer has been connected with electricity power. I would like to make a simple test for it. First, let's focus on the electricity panel. This is the inverter panel, volt meter, ammeter, light, switch on off. This is the emergency stop button, speed control for the mixing shaft. Motor start, motor stop, vacuum pump on, off, and top lid hydraulic system, top lid open and close. Okay, now I'll start it. Now it works. We can hear the voice. This is from the water. We make about half speed. Okay. I open the light. Now the mixer is working. We go to the top part to see it. Now we can see the mixing shaft with two layers ribbons is working. In this way, the material would be mixed well. For this case, the mixer is used to mix the material, soil and water. And then I test the max speed. We have control the speed here. The max speed should be 46 approximately. Okay. Working stable. We can close the mixer here. However, I would like to open the top lid now. Driven by the hydraulic system, the top lid is opening. For the inside material contact part, we make mirror polish. This is the inside situation. Just now, once I open the top lid, the mixer stops. This is for safety consideration. Even for the top part, between the top lid and the cylinder, we equipped a 3-part protection net. Okay, and now I close the top lid. Okay, No problem for it. Just now I have made a simple test for the basic mixing function of the new finished 800 liters model horizontal ribbon mixer for Canada client used in soil and water mixing industry. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, feel free to contact for more information. This is from Karvil Machinery, technology company in China. Thanks for watching.